Okay. Good morning. Dan O'Shea, Chief of Police, Rockford. To my right is Winnebago County State's Attorney Marilyn Height-Ross. Wanted to give you as much of an update as we can on the shooting, death of the 3-year-old yesterday in the 800 block of North Church Street. Obviously, it's an ongoing and active investigation still, but we do want to put out there what we can at this point. At this point, we do not believe it was a drive-by shooting. It's still being worked on, obviously, but drive-by, and we don't believe it's also any danger to the community outside of the information and the individuals we're talking with that were at the house at the time. So I'm real limited with what we can say. There's been some charges placed against one individual from yesterday, and State's Attorney Height-Ross can talk about that. I know you have a lot of questions, but I felt it really important, as did the State's Attorney, to let the public know we don't think there's any danger out there and that it was not at this time a drive-by shooting. And with that, I'll let State's Attorney Height-Ross talk really quick.
Good morning, everyone. Again, Chief O'Shea and I before you because we have another death investigation. Within the last week, the Rockford Police Department has had 3 death investigations that are active and ongoing. But the latest death investigation obviously has pricked the hearts of all of us because it involves the death of a 3-year-old child. We wanted to get before you today to let you know that it is an active investigation. The members of the Rockford Police Department have actively been working the case since it occurred. My staff has been available to assist. We do hope to have additional updates for you early next week. But what we know at this time is that it is not random. We believe that it was contained within the household where the child lived. And when we have more information regarding that, we will certainly let you know. There was an individual in the home that my office has charged with weapons offenses that do not pertain to yesterday. That person's name, I'll get
Octavius Shanklin.
Okay, I wanted to confirm the spelling of the last name. One of the individuals that we have charged is Octavius, Octayyges, Shanklin, Shanklin, who has been currently charged with unlawful use of a weapon by a felon, possessing a firearm without the requisite firearm owner's identification card, and ineligible to receive a firearms identification card. Those charges stem from earlier in the week, not from yesterday, so I did want to make that clear. But we are again reminded about the prevalence of illegal firearms within our community, and my plea to the community is that we know those individuals who are not lawfully in possession of firearms, and if you know of someone who has illegal firearms in their possession, you certainly should notify local law enforcement and/or call Crime Stoppers so that we can remove those illegal firearms from our community. We need you to continue to help us, help you keep the community safe. Thank you.